we're talking about Microsoft Reward Points, a fantastic way to earn rewards and redeem them for amazing stuff. Microsoft Reward Points are a loyalty program that lets you earn points by completing tasks, such as searching on Bing, shopping on Microsoft Store, completing quizzes, participating in promotions, using Microsoft Edge browser, and completing daily tasks on the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. You can earn points in various ways, including 5 points per search on Bing, 10 points per quiz completion, 20 points per Microsoft Store purchase, up to 100 points per promotion, 50 points per referral, and 20 points per daily task completion. To earn points, simply set Bing as your default search engine, shop on Microsoft Store, complete quizzes, and participate in promotions. You can redeem points for rewards, like gift cards from Amazon, Xbox, or Starbucks, donations to charities, sweepstakes entries, or exclusive giveaways, starting from 500 points. To withdraw points, sign in to your Microsoft account, go to the Rewards dashboard, and click on Redeem next to your desired reward. Here are some tips to maximize your points. Use Bing search regularly, complete daily tasks, take advantage of promotions, refer friends, and use Microsoft Edge browser. Start earning points today and redeem them for amazing rewards. And don't forget to subscribe to our 4 Reviews official for more deep analysis and insights. And check out our next video on how to get the most out of Microsoft Reward Points. And share your favorite ways to earn points in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next video.